Hey friends, I wanted to show you how you can do a screen record on your iPhone. So first of all, when you pull down your control panel, that's just a pull down from the top of your screen, you can see all your controls right there. And see that red blinking dot? That means I'm using screen record right now. Now if you don't see an icon or something in your controls that you want, let me show you how you do that quickly. Go into your settings, okay? And you're going to go into general, and then you're going to go into, it was not general, it was control center. And inside control center, you're going to choose customize controls. And you can see these are all of the things that I have in my control center. So when I swipe down, I see them in there. If I want something out of there, like if I don't want timer in there, I can touch it and remove it. If I want to add any of these down below into my control panel, I can do that. Anyways, I'm not going to stop that. So when I'm in control panel, I would find the dot with a circle around it, and that is screen record. And when I press and hold on it, you can see it will allow me to turn the microphone on or off. But all I have to do to record is just touch that circle with a dot on it. It's blinking right now. It normally isn't blinking. And it will allow me to record my screen. But if I want to have sound and talk while I'm recording, I have to press down and hold. And there's that little button that says microphone on or microphone off. And so then I can go into an application like my Kindle book, and I can show somebody what I'm reading or show how to operate an app. Or whatever on my phone. And then when I'm all done, I touch the recording up there and ask me if I want to stop. And then when I do, it'll save it into my camera roll. Okay? And so I'll have a screen recording in my camera roll, and then I can just send it out via text message or email or whatever I want. So that's how you create a screen record on your iPhone and send it to people. You could have also put it in your Google Classroom or whatever, just by opening up your classroom, and you can pull from your camera roll. So it's taking a second to load, but you get the idea. Let me know if that's helpful.